Hello guys, I hope you are okay. So now I'm going to show you how to activate internet connection on new mobile smartphone, especially Android system. So you can buy any smartphone and find cannot access internet connection. Now we are going to use settings. This is problem also can be occur on the Samsung smartphone. You can come here and click on SIM card and mobile network. Choose your SIM card you want to activate. Then come here down and click advanced. Click on access point name and click there. Those smartphone have a problem here is empty as usual. So you can type this internet.mtn as a link of internet connection and name of do you wish. You can put your name, you can put the company name of the communication, but now so then click there and click on save. So you can now configure your network. Finito. Click on subscribe and explore your more videos. Obari Official.